Hello, and welcome to the myNORD video series. In this video, we'll walk through the different configuration tools. Both configuration tools are located under the myNORD tab in the left-hand column. The Product Search works like a catalog, where you can enter specifications and the tool suggests matching units. The Product Configurator, on the other hand, provides a blank canvas where you can configure any cataloged product. In the Product Search tool, begin by selecting the type of unit you want to configure from the tabs above the product families. These options include a gear unit with a motor, a gear unit with an adapter, or an explosion-proof gear motor. After making your selection, choose as many product families as you would like to include in your search. Next, select the mounting design, either NEMA or IEC. If you are configuring a gear unit with a motor, you can also choose direct motor attachment if the gearbox supports it. Once your selections are made, click Apply Filters to continue. Now that you've applied the filters, let's move on to the parameters. Set application parameters by selecting the installation region, unit of measure, and the power frequency. You'll then decide which performance data you would like to search with. Output speed and service factor are always available, and you can choose to search by input horsepower or output torque. The output speed field includes a default 10% range. You can adjust this range by entering your own values. The service factor field is limited to values between 1 and 3 as well, but these can also be edited. Finally, decide the mechanical parameters of your application, including motor efficiency class, gearbox housing design, and shaft tab and engagement size. Once you've entered all the required information, click Start Search to view the NORD units that will best fit your application. Your results will appear sorted from most to least cost-effective. You can change the sort order by using the drop-down menu or invert it using the toggle button. There are also two different viewing formats. The grid view displays units with detailed specifications, while the alternate list view makes it easier to compare between units. Once you've found the best option to fit your application, click Configure to open the Product Configurator with your chosen parameters already selected. If you already know the unit you want or are working off of a datasheet, you can enter the Product Configurator directly. The first step is to create a project reference. This can be a part number, a unique identifier for a single line project, or a project name if you are configuring multiple units. These references will appear in the project list and keep everything organized. After creating a reference, click Continue. Next, select your product type and family. Options include gear motors, gear units, motors, and VFDs. Once that is chosen, you can select your input design. When this is complete, the Continue button will activate and you can move forward. At the top of the configuration, you can assign a reference specific to that line item. This identifier will also appear in the project list. As you move down the configurator, you'll notice that required fields are highlighted in red. Clicking on them will take you directly to the selections. Icons with exclamation marks also indicate where information is missing. If you need help, click the question mark on the right side of the configurator. From there, you can either call our internal team or send a request through the text box. Once all selections are complete, you will be able to see the unit price, print a datasheet, and generate 2 or 3 dimensional drawings. When you are finished, click Save and Go to Project to move the configuration into your project list. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our online configuration tools. If you have any further questions about these functionalities, please reach out to ebusiness.us@nord.com.